Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to share your note on the Evernote application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and you should select a note from the notes section at your home page. So just simply click on the relevant one, and then you should tap on this three dots icon in the upper right corner of the screen and select the first option, share note. Here you have many options. As you can see, the first one is the shareable link option, meaning that anyone with the link can view your notes. So all you have to do is clicking on this copy link icon, then you will be able to share it with anyone. As you can see, the third option is invite someone, so you need to add the email address or that name of the person that you would like to invite to see your note, or you can also email a copy of your note. By clicking on the more sharing options, you are going to see that you can send it via message, iMessage, Instagram, Messenger, Facebook, or other social networking sites. Or you can also send it to others via AirDrop. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.